As an aircraft mechanic, we should be responsible for the knowledge of and compliance with FAA regulations. Compliance will include the disposition of record forms and scheduling of maintenance as well as minor repairs or alteration. All of this must be accomplished in accordance with the manufacturer's manual.
Maintenance manuals. A manufacturer's maintenance manual is the primary reference tool for the aviation maintenance technician working on the aircraft. Maintenance manuals provide information on routine servicing, system descriptions, and functions, handling procedures, component removal, and installation. In addition, these manuals contain basic repair procedures and troubleshooting guides for common malfunctions. Maintenance information presented in these manuals is considered acceptable data by the FAA and may be approved data for the purpose of major repairs and alterations. Structural repair manuals. There are many manuals used by mechanics in order to guide them in their task, and one of which is the structural repair manual. The structural repair manuals are used for repairing serious damage. These manuals contain detailed information for repair of an aircraft's primary and secondary structure. The repairs described in the structural repair manual are developed by the manufacturer's engineering staff and are usually considered approved data by the FAA.
Conclusion. The satisfactory performance of an aircraft requires continuous maintenance of aircraft structural integrity. It is important that metal structural repairs be made according to the best available techniques, because improper repair techniques can pose an immediate or potential danger. The reliability of an aircraft depends on the quality of the design, as well as the workmanship used in making the repairs.